101 Dalmatians, a tale of bravery, friendship, and resilience. In the bustling city of London, Roger and Anita, a loving couple, live happily with their 2 Dalmatians, Pongo and Perdita. When the Dalmatians give birth to a litter of adorable puppies, including the mischievous Patch, their joy knows no bounds. However, their happiness is short-lived when the wicked Cruella de Vil, an eccentric fashionista, sets her sights on the precious pups to make a fur coat. Determined to protect their beloved pets, Roger and Anita refuse Cruella's offer to buy the puppies. Unfazed by their refusal, Cruella hatches a devious plan with her bumbling henchmen, Jasper and Horace, to steal the Dalmatians. One fateful night, while the family is away, the villains carry out their wicked scheme and whisk away the puppies, leaving Pongo and Perdita heartbroken. Devastated by the loss of their puppies, Pongo and Perdita embark on a thrilling and dangerous journey to rescue their beloved offspring. Along the way, they encounter a network of animal friends, including the resourceful canine Colonel and the street-smart tabby cat, Sergeant Tibbs. With their help, Pongo and Perdita navigate through various obstacles and adventures in their quest to reunite with their puppies. As they travel through the picturesque countryside and face the perils of the city, Pongo and Perdita showcase the power of unconditional love and sacrifice for family. Their bravery and determination inspire the other animals to join forces and outsmart Cruella and her henchmen. The chase culminates in a thrilling showdown at Cruella's lavish mansion, where the animals ingeniously outwit the villains and rescue not only their own puppies, but also 84 other Dalmatian puppies Cruella had stolen. In the end, Cruella's evil plans are thwarted, and the Dalmatian family is joyously reunited. The story celebrates the spirit of unity, friendship, and the courage to stand up against injustice. Pongo and Perdita find a new extended family with the 84 rescued Dalmatian puppies and their grateful owners, creating a heartwarming bond that lasts a lifetime.
Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it educational and fun. If so, please hit the like button below to show your support. And don't forget to check out some of our other videos by clicking on the screen now. Thanks, and we look forward to bringing you more stories soon. Have a great day.